Hello, my name is Saline Torres, and today I will be going over my presentation for our oral presentation assignment. Go ahead and present it. Okay. The title will be Reader Response Criticism, Sonnet 71 by William Shakespeare. My first slide would just be the part of the poem that I am supposed to read. So I thought I would just add it into the presentation to just show a little sneak peek of it, of like what was actually going on. My part of it was actually the love and death kind of kind of theme going on in this part of Sonnet 71. My next slide would be the knowledge of the literary piece. So the Sonnet 71 is a function of a love poem which discusses a romantic relationship with an anonymous lover. Okay. Within the poem, the speaker discusses with the lover to not dwell over his death when it is his time to go. So suggesting this to the lover is a deep meaning to love and how he felt towards her. Because you don't ask somebody of if you don't love them. Speaker wanting the lover to live a fulfillful life, so to forget and move on. These were just important points within the poem that I thought were important. The literary criticisms, when I was going over these, I really felt that the reader response was the one that connected to the poem a lot because I was able to grasp it in a different way than somebody else was going to be able to. So I just wanted to define what it was and just kind of go over it. So it focuses on finding the meaning of the reading within reading itself and examining the way individual readers experience the reading it themselves. So the reader is getting involved with the author to better understand what the text actually means. Okay. So the connection between the poem and the literary criticism, the connection between the two is that different individuals can read the part in the poem and understand it in different ways, making it easier to understand how the readers connect to reading response. An example would be having a conversation with somebody about how they view the poem and how I myself view the poem. Just to show a little bit of evidence, I did do that. I had my girlfriend go into a different room and read my part of the poem, and I went into a different room, had myself read it, and we both had different aspects of what we soaked in from the poem, and we both thought differently, and we brainstormed and had a discussion, and it was very heartwarming to see like how the two individuals could two individuals that love each other can view such a powerful thing. Death takes control of everything. And so I wanted to see what her perspective of this poem and how I thought of it. It was very interesting. Her aspect, her idea of it was totally different from what I was thinking. And I think that's what made it more interesting to get involved. And that's why I picked the reader response because I think it's very important for somebody to be able to read something and be able to connect to it in a different way than somebody else does. Her view on it was, everyone should be able to accept it and move on from a loved one passing. And I viewed it more as I would not be able to do it. I think I would dwell over someone I loved very much. So yeah, it was fun trying to see it from two different people. And next I have my works cited. And so yeah, that would be it for my presentation. Thank you very much.